Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So Emmanuel has said that himself and Liquorose would have 2 babies by this time next year. So we see all the housemates having a conversation, and of course you could hear Perry talking about Emmanuel and Liquorose saying that these are the 2 people whose love is probably the strongest in the house at the moment.
Liquorose and Emmanuel now will be say more. That by next year we will meet.
I think we will carry three babies.
And then Emmanuel now says, you know what, by next year himself and Liquorose will have about 2 babies.
Now for backstage, no that take my easy. Look for no go enjoy my brother for backstage.
If Emmanuel and Liquorose have babies by this time next year, they will join the list of bbnaija stars who have babies together, the likes of Godoni and Kafi, and of course Bam Bam and Teddy A. So yesterday night after the Saturday night party, they had expended their energy at the party arena, and we first saw Cross and Angel literally sleeping on Cross. And then at some point he was in the bed in the common room, and of course White Money looked at this guy and said, this guy is going to get a strike if he doesn't sleep in the head of house lunch. So literally he woke Cross up, asked him to wear his shoes, and of course took him straight to the dressing area to get his pajamas for the night.
Let's try. Stand up. Just sleep here.
Oh, White Man is so sweet.
Yeah.
After that, we saw White Money holding his microphone for him so that he doesn't damage his microphone. Of course, if you damage Big Brother's properties, you get penalized for it. So he literally helped Cross hold his microphone and led him straight up the stairs till he got into the room. On the lighter note, we see Saga and Nini having a conversation in the kitchen. And of course, Saga is telling Nini that, you know what, it is not easy being alone in this house. You can't just be alone in this house and do your things alone. You're literally going to run mad, right? And of course, Nini's like, okay, so does it mean that Saga is using her?
Don't need to operate alone in this game. You run mentally.
So you use me.
I used you. No.
Not to run mental.
Well, in the long run, we see Saga thanking Nini for being used by him in the house.
Thank you for being used.
Finally, on my the Saturday night party brought to you by Guinness was nothing short of amazing. We literally saw the housemates in their fullest of energy. Of course, this was the Shine Brightest edition, right? And of course, we saw White Money and Liquorose's energy that hit off the roof. The ambience of the party arena and of course the set design spoke volumes. And of course, I love the outfits that the housemates were wearing. It was perfect for the party. It gave them enough room to dance the way they wanted. I personally think that the legwork from White Money and Liquorose needs to be studied. This guys way off the roof. Of course, I saw Saga and Nini in another element last night. First off, it was for Saga, right? The energy he was using to dance last night was totally different. So you remember that Nini disappeared during the week in the house. And of course, it was a thought back and forth about the fact that, okay, he couldn't say his goodbyes to Nini. Has Nini been evicted? Did she have a mental breakdown? Or I'm not going to see her at the Saturday night party. Who am I going to dance with? But of course, you see the fact that both of them were dancing with a totally different energy. And I'm beginning to wonder, could this be their final dance in the house? The housemates expended their energy at the party arena to the point that Angel was sleeping on Cross. Who are the 2 people that will be leaving the show tonight? Please go to the comment section and let us continue our conversations there. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guys, so to be notified whenever I post a video. Go on all social media platforms on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at Emmanuel. Until next time I come with you very soon, it's bye for now.